Hi guys! Today we will look at connecting Neopixels to an Arduino compatible microcontroller, and write a simple program to demonstrate how they can be used. When you buy Neopixels from our Amazon shop, you will get a quick reference card that will show the pinout, and have a simple code example on the back to help get you started. In this example I will use an 8mm Neopixel, and a 5mm Neopixel. These will be connected to pin 5 of the Arduino and in series to one another. When you power up your Arduino, the Neopixels will turn on and be blue in color. This means that there is no data signal going to the Neopixels. You can see that I have the blink sketch running on this Arduino Nano. Now I will go to leap.uk to view the Neopixel tutorial that accompanies this video. I will then copy the example code and paste it into Arduino IDE. Once the code has been copied into Arduino IDE, you can upload it to your microcontroller and you will see the Neopixels turn a random color every half a second. Remember that your data signal and supply voltage must be the same. These Neopixels are 5V and 3.3V compatible. Also take note of line 4 in Arduino IDE where the Neopixel object is created. Neo RGB must be selected and the refresh rate must be set to 800 kHz. That's all from me. Until next time, goodbye.